Hello guys, guess what it is? It's a panda class. I'm doing this because my teacher want to make a panda clock with us. I don't know if they're doing the right way or not, but I know I am another sport. Again, I'm not a sport. Wow, I'm so serious. I agree. I'm making this or it's a joke. It's a joke time. My mom make this. You're forgetting something. Hey, look at my brother. Wala. It's so magulo talaga yung ginagawa ko yan. Sira pa rin. This is the pioneer. Look at it. It's so cute. Look at it. His face. Right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Easy to make like this. It's not. It's too expensive. My DIY panda clock. Again, DIY panda clock. When you don't want, like also. Bye guys.